Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today we are going canoeing / kayaking on the Missouri River and it's gonna be a blast. So stay tuned to watch this adventure. Ew! Oh my gosh, it's actually dirty. Let me fix you, YouTube. Let me fix you. You did not deserve that. Oh, hello. Hello.
If we were in a hurry, this would be a lot.
Hi. Those are the Rockies! And we are on this side. How do you feel, Ellen? And oh, we have a warm showers place tonight. They are cooking us chili, salmon.
Burgers, hot dogs, chili.
Laundry!
Laundry, hot
Yeah! The wind is pushing us like crazy. And we just cranked out 15 miles in like an hour. So that's pretty awesome. Woo! Life is good! So happy.
The ship of the three mateys.
Uno, dos, tres. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. Oh my goodness.
I challenge you to get through the porthole.
This portal?
This porthole on the side.
Oh, this one. Oh, my legs are sore. Oh, John Mark. We are heading into Great Falls, Montana. This is a cute little deli place for lunch and to play on the swings.
This is why big kids break things. I am 23 years old.
Oh, Mama Claire is calling us. Yay! Mama Claire! Bison! Look at the bison! Did you know that there are no buffalo in North America? They are all bison. So whenever people say they saw buffalo in the West or in Colorado or somewhere, they're mistaken, they're bison. So I learned that on this trip, but those were obviously bison.
Wow, this is so nice. One.
Doo-doo-doo. Look at all the food.
How's it look?
It looks very good. Especially maple brown sugar. What a splurge.
I know, right?
Wow.
It's like ogling.
We are staying at John's house. Wild Christopher on the loose. We found an electric mountain bike. Are you gonna take that across the country?
You bet.
Oh my gosh, this thing? Yay!
I love that it's like, it still feels like.
Hey little puppy! You got a haircut. What are you barking at? What are you barking at?
Annie, leave her alone.
This bike is so cool.
Wait, I'm headed right toward the fence.
It's a bike.
Well, then turn the handle.
And it's just gonna go when I go.
Well, no,
Like I don't have to pedal to
I
make
have
it
to
go 1 out of 3 power.
Okay, I have to.
But if you're
How much power these?
she's gonna hit the tree. Look at her. Look at her head. We're going canoeing and all the canoes just fell out of the back of the truck.
Yeah.
He's like, I told him to go easy, but I guess I didn't tell him how easy.
I was easy on the, I was real easy on the transmission.
Do you ride them up mountain? So we just need to go slow. And this is our little van. Without canoe. Hey guys. Hello. Welcome to Montana. It's the Montana lifestyle.
We're going kayaking. Oh, we're going canoeing in the Missouri River.
Woo! Yes.
Chris dumped the canoes.
Chris did dump the
But
canoes.
it's okay. Poor guy. And we forgot the paddles.
Yep, the paddles.
Shugga mugga. We've been biking. We've been
We've been biking. We have our life jackets. Gonna hit the sunset, beat the storm, all the good stuff. We're on the Missouri River, the largest river in America. Right, Al? The largest river in America. Yeah. That was the question of the day today.
Longest?
Trivia.
Biggest?
It's just biggest.
It's the biggest one. Most water?
Yeah, the biggest one. The biggest one.
The most water.
We have the whole crew back there. John, Mark, and Ellen, and then Claire and Chris, and then our wonderful host named John, who let us borrow his boats so that we could canoe on this gorgeous water. Oh no, brace yourself. It's the Titanic about to crash. Oof, oof, oof. Bye.
Canoe.
It's nice that you're facing forward, because when you originally got in the boat, you were facing her.
Do you want to race?
Did you want to see her, or did you want to see the river? Were you on a date?
Do you want to race, Andy? You want to race?
Ellen's just embarrassed.
I think they did.
No, I don't know how to get in a canoe.
I think they were.
Chris sat down facing Claire.
They did, okay.
And I didn't want to say anything.
Chris and Claire also faced each other, but I thought it was funny that you guys were facing each other. I did not face you because I know how to ride a canoe. It's raining.
It's raining, men.
Oh goodness. Great time. Great time. Hi. Oh my gosh, you're pretty.
Man, if this thing kicked you in the chest,
I would die. Oh, that was a crappy one.
Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, big guy. Bye, horsies. Well, thank you so much for watching this video about our canoeing, kayaking, horse petting adventure. It was super fun, and just people are just so nice. These horses are nice. The sky is just amazing. This world is absolutely beautiful, and I'm just so thankful that you guys are here following along. Stay tuned for the next video.